Hi there, I'm Kenny Byerly. Those are my trash cans, and this is my BRZ. Today I'll be replacing my stock shift knob with this custom shift knob I got at TwistedShifterz.com. Now I know there are a lot of videos on YouTube already about how to change your BRZ shift knob. I know because I watched them all. That's why I think I can even do this. But YouTube is infinite, and Google can keep buying server space, and we can all keep making videos on how to replace our shift knobs. So apparently, you can just unscrew this to remove it. Now, one of the issues I've had with it is that the side spins by itself anyway. So let's see how much you need to grip it to really make it turn. Oh my gosh! All right, that was super easy. And there it is. Oh wow. It's got more weight than I would have expected. This new one may actually be lighter. So this is a special order that has the space for the reverse lockout to come up. Let's see how that fits. Much higher than I think I would have liked it. How tight can I get it? I don't love how that looks, I'll be honest with you. The other problem is that when I get it as tight as I can, it's nowhere near facing, it's nowhere near level. But if I turn it back to where it should be level, there's even more space underneath it. Well, unfortunately, this is how it's going to have to be. And because of the design of this shift knob, we can't use a nut to make it tight. So instead, they've provided this blue Loctite, which I'm going to have to put on the threads to make it semi-permanent. And once this dries, it should keep it from spinning, but it will be removable with a bit of extra force. So I guess what I need to do is just put it on some of that thread there. There it is, coming out now. Whoa! Little spurt. Bigger spurt over there. So let's get this in the right position. Is that straight? Is that lined up? This is lined up with the threads on the boot. So I guess I just have to let that cure, I guess, as they would say. Does that look straight to you? Tell me in the comments. And if it doesn't look straight, it'll be too late to do anything. Okay, it's been a minute or so, and it feels like this thing no longer spins easily. And I guess if I forced it, I could make it spin and break through that blue Loctite and get it off. But for now, it is holding in place. So that is done. I'm not really too happy with how much of the shift lever it leaves exposed, but I always thought that a cue ball shifter like this was a cool design and a unique touch for a car like this one. So from where I sit, it doesn't look too bad, but just don't go down and look at it like this. Keep your eyes up here. Well, there you have it. The job is done, it was easy, it was fast, and from certain angles, it looks great. Join me next time I do something else that I learned from watching other people on YouTube. Thanks, and have a great day.